Well, at the Nicholson Clinic, we specialize in weight loss surgery. And in terms of weight loss surgery, we believe that that is not only the surgery, but the other 90% of that is actually lifestyle changes and behavior modification.
I was experiencing lots of joint pain and fatigue. I was miserable. Dr. Nicholson gave me complete control over the choices and told me it had to be my absolute decision. He wasn't going to pick for me.
We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all type approach to people. You know, what works well for one patient may not work well for another.
Dr. Nick's office gave me somebody to work with that was going to help me through the process.
You can't make these operations work if you don't A, understand how they work, and B, if you're not prepared or capable of doing what they need done.
The first thing I had to do, and probably the hardest thing even still today, is realizing that I no longer could eat a full plate of food. My mind still told me I could, but my stomach was real quick to tell me that I couldn't.
Lori had some unique medical conditions. She had fairly severe reflux. She also had an autoimmune disorder that caused a lot of bone and muscle pain.
People now tell me, you never looked that heavy to me before, but wow, I can't believe how thin you are now.
What's this about to me? I mean, this is about getting healthy, it's about living longer, it's about being there for your husband, your wife, your kids.
I can shop in any store in the mall and not have to just go to the plus-size stores or the departments. And one time I was even shopping at a store and I could have probably worn the normal size clothes, but I was still not quite confident enough to let go of the plus size. And the lady walked right up to me and she said, "Honey, you're in the wrong department. You need to be over there where the skinny girls shop."
When you talk with Lori, you'll, just listening to how full of life she is and kind of the quality of life she's leading now.
Finding Dr. Nicholson was probably the greatest thing that I could have ever done.